Jira is a support application for business intelligence units (BIU) to handle user queries. It helps end users to raise their BIU-related queries on published reports, APMT portfolio and reports, income reports, ad hoc requirements, budgeting exercise, RAROC-related and other issues which impact business in terms of numbers. Jira also helps to track each query with a unique Jira ID with defined alerts at each step. Jira is a better substitute to Outlook as it helps in tracking all queries under a single platform and consumes minimum time. This application further helps enrich MIS reporting and avoid income leakage, if any, based on timely resolution of queries.